Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a get ready with me. I will be doing my hair and my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners, on this particular day, I was getting ready to go to a family gathering, and I had maybe 2 hours before it was time for me to leave. So what I did, I flat ironed my hair and added some flexi rods. I can flat iron my hair in like 10 minutes. It doesn't take me long at all. What I'll do is I'll just section it off and I'll run the flat iron through my hair maybe 2 or 3 times and keep it moving. I don't think too much into it or think about it too much, especially when I know I'm in a rush or I have somewhere to be. I try to find different ways to part my hair in the front because I am a woman who suffers from hair loss in the crown of my head and on the sides and in the front. However, I am learning to deal with that and trying to figure out ways to stop the hair loss and to actually see what I can do so my hair can get thicker in that area. However, I still go out and about and I put on a brave face because as a woman, when you have thinning hair, it can cause you to have self-esteem issues, and that's something that I fight with every day. However, I still keep a smile on my face. I do my hair and I wear it down, and I still feel that I look beautiful. And if you are a woman who suffers from hair loss, or if you are a man who suffers from hair loss and your hair is thinning in the front and in the crown and on the sides, find different ways that you can do your hair, or just do what you can do to make it work for you, and just be happy and just put on that brave face and just know that you still are beautiful. If you are a woman and if you're a man, just know that you are still handsome and that your hair does not make you. Now that I have my hair rolled in the flexi rods, I can go ahead and get dressed and start my makeup. Now it's time for me to do my makeup. My makeup routine is really simple. To be honest, I wouldn't even say I have a makeup routine. I honestly may have worn makeup 3 times in a year, if that. I just prefer to not wear makeup. I like the natural look. I just like to look natural. And it's nothing wrong if a person wear makeup. However, for me, I just don't care for it too much. However, sometimes when you go out, you want to look a little more presentable. So I decided to put some makeup on. And my makeup collection, guys, only has a little makeup stick, face powder, eyeshadow, mascara, and lip gloss. That's it. After that, I cut the deck. I don't buy contour. I never have bought contour. I don't know how to contour. I don't buy lashes. I've never worn false lashes before, and I'm 45 years old. So that pretty much explains and give you an idea when it comes to makeup for me. Now that my makeup and hair is all done, it's time for me to head out. I got this beautiful pocketbook from my love, and I decided to take it along with me. Now that I'm back home from today's event, I decided I wanted me a late night snack. So I made me some rice and I heated up some leftovers. And guys, it was really, really good. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you all for watching my video. I really do appreciate you guys. And if you are new to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. Yes, you are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.